little friends! What if a shiny button from a poor beggar could save a sick mommy? Tom laughed at it. But one surprise will melt your heart. Stay till the end for the big emotional twist. One sunny morning, little Tom walked through a busy market. People were talking, buying things, and laughing. Everything looked bright and happy. But in one quiet corner sat an old beggar man. He wore a torn shirt. His hands looked tired, but on his shirt, there was one shiny golden button. It sparkled in the sunlight like a small star. Tom stopped and looked at him. First, he felt curious. Then he started laughing. "You have no money! That button is nothing!" Tom said loudly. The beggar did not reply. He just looked at Tom with soft, kind eyes. But friends, was that button really nothing? Tom went home smiling. But when he entered his house, everything felt quiet. His mommy was lying on the bed. She was coughing again and again. Her face looked weak and pale. Tom ran to her. "Mommy, are you okay?" he asked softly. The doctor came and showed a bottle of white milk. It was special milk that could help her get better. But it needed money. Tom looked around. There were no coins. No money, nothing. His eyes filled with tears. What will happen to Mommy? For the first time, Tom felt scared. Tom ran back to the market as fast as he could. His heart was heavy. He reached the same place. The beggar was still sitting there. This time, Tom was quiet. His eyes were wet. The beggar looked at him and understood everything. Without asking anything, he slowly removed his only shiny button. He looked at it for a moment, then gave it to Tom. "Take this, little one," he said gently. Tom was shocked. His hands trembled. Why would he give me his only button? Friends, can one small button really save a life? Tom ran to a small shop and showed the button. The shopkeeper looked at it carefully, then gave him the milk. Tom held it tightly and ran home. He helped his mommy sit up and gave her the milk. She drank slowly, one sip, then another. After a few moments, her face started to change. Her cheeks became pink. Her breathing became calm. A small smile appeared. Tom's eyes filled with happy tears. His mommy was getting better. The house felt warm again. If you love this story, like this video. Subscribe to English Story Academy for more simple stories. That evening, the house was full of happiness. Tom and his mommy smiled, laughed, and held hands. She hugged him tightly. Tom smiled too, but something inside him had changed. He became quiet. He started thinking about the beggar, about the button, about kindness. He remembered how he laughed before. Now, he felt respect. The next morning, Tom picked some beautiful flowers and went back to the market. The beggar was still there. Tom walked slowly, then hugged him tightly. "I am sorry. I laughed at your button," Tom said with tears. The beggar smiled gently. "I was once a rich man," he said softly. "I had a coat full of shiny buttons. I gave everything away to help people. One by one, I gave all my buttons." Tom listened carefully. "I kept only one button. To remember the love I gave," the beggar said. "And today, I gave that last button to help your mommy." Tom's eyes became wide. Tom stood quietly. Now he understood everything. That button was not just a button. It was love. It was sacrifice. It was kindness. Tom held the beggar's hand. Both smiled softly under the bright sun. Oh! Remember, little friends, never laugh at small things, because sometimes small things carry the biggest love. Never judge people by their looks, because a poor person can have the richest heart. If this story touched your heart, like this video. Subscribe to English Story Academy for more beautiful stories.